Welcome. Today in front of me TCL TAB Max, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have now installed by default AOD feature here. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now let's just open here this app and enter in search bar Movies Edge. And we should get right now this application, so that's why I tap to install and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open this app. Okay, let's turn the tablet. Here click to draw over apps. And here near the Movies Edge application, just click once on the switcher and just go back to the application. After that, we just should select the one from this available tabs. So for example, let's use this one. Just tap here to apply and let's lock the device. And now we can see that we just successfully activate always on display feature on our TCL TAB. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.